In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Subaru WRX key fob and change the internal battery. This particular device was used on WRXs between 2016 and 2020, and it takes just one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to get one of these batteries online, I will leave a link down in the description to get the exact battery that you need for this device on Amazon, and it's just a couple of bucks. So if you're looking for the battery, go check out that link. And the only other thing you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver. The first step is to flip the device over to the back, hold down this silver button and remove the internal key. As you can see, my key is missing. You will just hold the button down and take the key out and set it to the side. Now we can look in here where we have the keyhole and several other little indentations. We actually want to put our flathead screwdriver right into this smaller hole that's right above the keyhole. So right into there. And we just want to hold the device loosely and twist our screwdriver. You can hear that little click. The back piece of plastic is actually starting to come off, and you can just pull it off now with your fingers, or you can go into that little opening that you've just created and continue twisting. Now set the back to the side. Carefully remove this component that holds the battery here, and do not flip this over. You can take this out. This is what we will be working on. If you flip this piece over and you're not careful, these buttons will fall out with this little piece of rubber. So just hold this right side up and set it down. Now from here, try not to touch the circuit board too much. Hold it by the sides and use the same flathead screwdriver, and coming in from the top, we just want to put the screwdriver in between the battery and that piece of plastic, that black plastic there, and just kind of get the corner of it in there, stick it in and twist, push or twist, and let me show you that one more time. The battery will just come popping out. So let's just get in there and kind of push in between the battery and that black plastic, and you just stick it in there and try to take it out nicely like this. Don't want to break anything, go slow, take your time. There we go, that's a CR2032 battery. And again, if you would like to pick one of these up online, I will put that link down in the description. And when you're putting the battery in, make sure the positive side that has the text on it goes face up, and just slide it down into place here and then click the top in, and it'll sit securely in there like you see. And now just pick up this back side, set this on top of the rubber. Again, we do not want those buttons falling out. And then take the back piece of plastic, set it on top, and click it all together. And you can test out that your light comes on when you press the buttons, and that's how you know that the battery is good to go and that you followed all the instructions correctly. So I hope that helps you out, and if it does, you can let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.